Hey everyone, welcome back to New York Tech Life. So last week, day before Christmas, I got the latest update. That was the version 11 2021.44.25.2. That includes a light show and a lot of changes to the UI, user interface format. So I actually simply skipped the tour because I had to get to somewhere. So I don't know a way to get the tour. So if you're updating to 2021.44.25.2 or point 6, make sure just to, just take your time to go through all the updates. But if you're in a hurry, just trying to get out, trying to figure out where things are, there's no more swipe left or right under this car to get to like the trips or tire pressure. Also, there is no way to find the Sentry Mode or the Wi-Fi settings here, like right from here. So I'll go through each so that you can quickly get familiarized with the changes. So the first one is a Sentry Mode. So you have to tap on the car icon, and it's on under the controls. Sentry Mode and the recording is under the controls now. So, and the next one is a wiper setting. Also, it's tap on the car icon. Wiper setting is here under controls. So you can also activate the wiper settings by just press the left lever button on the left lever or stalk. So that's how you activate the wiper. It's no more underneath here. You won't be able to find that anymore. So and the next one is how do you get to the odometer settings and all that various trip settings. So you gotta go into trips options here, and you can see all your different trip settings. So it's no more over here. So, and the next one is the alerts and notification. How do you find that? It's right here. You can actually tap on that bell. You can see all the alert stuff. Also, you can go into service and notification, just like you used to do that before. So also the next one is the tire pressure. Tire pressure is also, so you tap on the car icon and go to service, and you can see the tire pressure through there. So it's no more over here. So the Bluetooth also right here. So Bluetooth, LTE or Wi-Fi settings. So and the next one is the playlist. So if you have Apple Music and trying to get to the playlist, that used to be like here, you could have just simply activate or tap the button and then just get the playlist. But it's no more easier to get to that Bluetooth playlist. So what you have to do is go into the app launcher. Either you can go to the streaming option, or the best way is to actually have the Bluetooth icon over here on the lower bar, or maybe you can actually you can customize it by tapping on this the button with the 3 dot, and press and hold, and then move the Bluetooth icon here. So once you do that, you go to the Bluetooth icon and you can see the playlist here. So that's one thing that I found easier, because if you are in the regular streaming options, you can only get like few songs here, so you had to go into Bluetooth playlist and you'll be able to see all the songs and everything. So and the next one is the supercharger. How do you find the supercharger? Let me turn this heat off. It used to be like you could just simply like tap here and activate and get the supercharger from this like little icon options here, but it's no more there. So you had to go into tap on the navigate and supercharging. So it's like navigate, tap on navigate, and then charging. So that's how you get to supercharging options. And I think that's about it, just to get familiarized, from the previous version to the new version. So one other thing, or a few other things, is the main feature that you'll have to activate. One of them is the automatic blind spot camera. So in order to turn on that feature, you had to go to autopilot from the main menu, and you had to turn on the option for automatic blind spot camera. So you'll have to do that's a good feature that everybody was waiting for like a long time. So and one other thing is, you used to have the seat warmers at the bottom. It's no more there, so you can see from the update. So what you had to do is tap on this arrow, left or right arrow, you'll get to the seat warmer and windshield. If you wanted like a defrost settings also, you can actually get that from this quick icon. So so that's the easiest way. Otherwise you had to like tap on the temperature to get to the whole HVAC settings. So so that's the easier way. So it's kind of inconvenient, but it's 2 steps now. So so you'll have to tap on the arrow to get to that option. So I'm gonna turn this off for now. So those are the main features that I've found changed. So if you are in the same boat as mine, my situation where I was like trying to find out like where all the settings went. So because I skipped the initial tour. So hopefully this will help just to get you started with this major update that happened over the last week. So hopefully this helped you, and please subscribe, like and share, and thank you for watching. If you have any other tips or comments, please comment under the video. So thank you so much and have a nice day.